Welcome back to our journey of building digital confidence. By now, you have likely noticed that your device is filled with different icons, each leading to a different app, like your Messenger, your web browser, or your camera. Sometimes moving between these apps feels perfectly easy, but at other times it can feel a little confusing when things don't look the same. Today, we are going to explore why that happens and how you can easily adjust as you move through a digital world. Well, the most important thing here the most important thing here is to remember that each app is created for a very specific purpose. Because their missions are so different, apps do not always behave in the same way, even when you use the same familiar actions like tapping or scrolling. Think of it like tools in your house. You use a hammer differently when you use a screwdriver because they have different jobs to do. In the same way, a messaging app is designed specifically to help you send and read messages quickly. A web browser is built to help you search through vast internet and open various websites. A camera app is focused entirely on helping you capture photos or videos. Even though all these apps live on the same device, they each follow their own set of rules. This means that a single action, like a tap, might lead to different results depending on which app you are using. You might notice that some buttons look similar but perform different tasks, or that the entire layout of a screen feels slightly different from what you're used to. Please know that this variety is completely normal. If an app feels unfamiliar or if a button doesn't do what you expected, it doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It simply means that an app is following its own specific logic. When you understand this, you can stay calm, take a deep breath, and give yourself a moment to explore. And to help you to get a feel for these differences, I encourage you to try a simple exercise today. Open two different apps, perhaps your Messenger and your web browser. Take a moment to look at the screen in each one and notice what makes them different and what makes them unique. Try the exact same action, like scrolling up and down, in both apps and observe how the result changes. By noticing these differences, you're training your brain to recognize that different purposes require different layouts. The more you explore, the better you'll become at adapting to a new or unfamiliar app you encounter. You're becoming a more confident user every day. Well, I will see you in the next lesson, where we will continue make technology work for you. Thank you and goodbye.